Well, Mpox is on the rise again.
The World Health Director General declared the current Mpox outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. Doctors in Cleveland say cases locally are also starting to rise.
News 5's Bryn Caswell joins us live from outside university hospitals this morning. Bryn, what have you learned?
As of August 15th in the state of Ohio, there are currently 459 cases of Mpox. Now, Cuyahoga County is leading those numbers with 174 of those cases. And while experts say this outbreak shouldn't cause any COVID-19 like lockdowns, they are asking people to ramp up testing, and vaccinations need to continue for those communities that are most at risk. Mpox is a highly contagious viral disease that can cause flu-like symptoms and painful skin lesions. It often spreads through close physical contact. A new strain of Mpox virus has been surging in Africa over the past couple months, leading the World Health Organization to declare an international health emergency, which is its highest alarm level. This is the second time in recent years the World Health Organization declared this emergency for Mpox. The first was in 2022 when Mpox sickened nearly 32,000 people in the U.S., according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Dr. Amy Edwards with University Hospital says the 2022 vaccination campaign wasn't successful, which is why a resurgence of cases is happening locally.
It just emphasizes that this is a disease that we have to keep an eye on. Because we still are seeing people infected with it. We're still seeing people die with it. That potential always exists. And so we just have to, and especially now with vaccines and treatments available, you can't prevent or treat a disease if you're not diagnosing it.
According to the Ohio Department of Health, 5 people in the state have died from Mpox. Again, Mpox spreads when someone who has the virus or open lesions comes in close physical contact with another person. If you think you have contracted Mpox, doctors recommend going to the hospital or calling your primary care physician. From there, treatment will be given and quarantining will be recommended. Again, there is an Mpox vaccine available for people who are most at risk, like those who are immunocompromised, HIV positive, or have cancer. Now, on top of this international emergency, COVID-19 cases locally are on the rise again. Governor Mike DeWine recently testing positive for COVID-19 early Tuesday morning, and this is the third time he has tested positive as he's been governor. Now, currently, there's not a vaccine for this current COVID-19 strain that is circulating around, but that vaccine for the new variant is currently in production and should be released hopefully by the fall. And Tiffany, Mike, I did ask experts if we are currently in a twindemic with rise of Mpox cases as well as COVID-19 cases, and they tell me we are not. So that's some good news this morning.
Yeah, but of course, with kids heading back to school, those COVID cases are expected to go up since we've been in a summer surge. Thanks for bringing us that, Bryn. Appreciate it.